Oh Zulu, oh bantakwethu.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. So here we have Usisi, a South African lady who is married to a Nigerian man. Her TikTok name is Uwhite Omuhle. In English is a beautiful whitey. She's one of those South African ladies abathi mabeshade nama foreign men bangafuni ukubona iSouth Africa isucceeda. Which is very concerning because if you look at these things, it is done by only South African ladies. We have Zimbabweans, Congolese, Namibians, and other nations who are here in South Africa, who are married to other nations. Some of them are even married to South African men. But we don't hear them insulting their own people, or because they are married to a South African man, or they are married to a Nigerian man. And some of them, they are even married to white men from overseas. But you will never hear them insulting their people or trying to belittle their countries because they are now married to foreign men. Only South African ladies are doing that. I've seen a lot of Zimbabweans who are married to Nigerians here in South Africa. I've seen a lot of Zimbabweans who are married to South African men here in South Africa, but I've never seen them insulting Zimbabweans or belittling their own countries. We have South African men who are married to Nigerian ladies, even though they are few. But I've never seen a Nigerian lady who is married to a South African man, a Congolese lady who is married to a South African, insulting their own countries, belittling their own countries, undermining people of their own countries. Never. Only South African ladies are doing that. Let's listen to her, guys.
We all saw the march, right? Okay, Durban, they went to Eastern Cape. Was it successful?
Hi guys. Today I just wanted to entertain you all because ngiyabona ukuthi abanye bayayifuna le entertainment. So Usisi claims that the march failed. Of course it failed. I'd say the same thing too if I was married to a Nigerian who runs a brothel and drugs have been found at that brothel. Why don't you tell them, Sissy? Why don't you tell them that the reason you are so obsessed with March and me is because your husband is a Nigerian that you gave citizenship to, and that's why you run a brothel with your husband, and drugs have been found there at once upon a time. Tell the whole story, Mama.
Oh, Jacinta, our Jacinta. Of course, we know why this lady is always on the neck of patriotic South Africans. She will never give patriotic South Africans rest. I don't know why. She is here helping foreigners to destroy her own country. And she is proud to do that. According to her, she is having everything by selling her own country. The level of desperation to us South African women, desperate for marriage. This lady was supposed to be ashamed of herself, to come out in public to say all these things, that a march that is fighting for the country, her own country, a country that is destroyed by her own husband and herself. Jacinta is fighting for this country. Nigerians were not here when our heroes were unalived for this country, but they are just here now to enjoy and to destroy what our people were unalived for. And this lady is asking if a march was a success. Yes, of course, a march was a big success. So if you think the march was not successful, beautiful whitey, watch and listen to this.
Oh bantakwethu, naze nasenzela inyaniso bethunana. Siyabulela kakhulu ngokuziduba kwenu nisuke KZN nizolwa nathi. Kutshiwo bena kuthiwa igwala lakokwenu awulishiya impini ngemva. Noba lona likushiyeka i-100 na, noba likushiyeka i-200, kodwa wena ulishiya impini, ulibamba ngesandla nilwe nonke. Koko singamagwala sinjalo, singamaXhosa, kodwa nina nikwazile ukusibamba ngezandla nilwe nathi. Enkosi kakhulu. Naze nangamaqhawe wethu bethunana, naze nangamaqhawe. And ingathi xa sinobumbana ngeli hlobo sibumbene ngalo namhlanje, sibambane singuZulu noXhosa, inkulu kakhulu into esinophuma nayo. Sibaninzi, udinga nje ubambiswano, intsebenziswano. So enkosini guys ngophuma ngobuninzi benu. nishiye ingxaki zenu nizolwela ubukumkani, nizolwela ubukhosi bokhokho bethu. Siyabulela ngokusithethelela, kunzima thina ukuzithethelela. Siyabulela into yonke nisenzele yona benana, and I hope lento niyenzileyo izovusa into ukuthi ngaphakathi ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukuzimela, nathi sikwazi ukuzilwela. And andazi ngithini, I'm just happy and ndinombulelo omkhulu guys. Bayini nihambe kakuhle, kwabalimeleyo yanguNkulunkulu abapholise.
Yabona, ndingumuntu oyincomayo into enhle and futhi ndiyayikhalimela nento engakho right. Ezo nto ndiyazenza zoyi-2. Masiyincome into yenziwe yi-KZN yahamba ye-Eastern Cape. Ongizwe Mchunu nophakela umthakathi ebandla lakhe ngamadoda amanene futhi ngamadoda okwenene. Aniqala into ningayiqibi. Anithethi nje niyenza. Ngamadoda amanene. And kuyabonakala futhi ba Zulu Nation, that's the only nation that is willing to defend South Africa at all cost.
Izitrato ziclean, akho magwetha kuGombo. Yabo uclean. Imagine kabe nomka babantu jongana izitrato. Akubekho. Guys, yo. Ramaphosa makahambisa abantu ngekhe.
No, sithetha ngabana zingenazimpepha mntakabhotwana. Kuthiwa bongenazimpepha mabahambe bokwenza impepha zabo. Ongenazimpepha makahambe ayokwenza impepha zakhe. Noko asilwi namntu, asifuni into zakwenzakala. Just impepha nje ka.
Hope you heard that, beautiful Whitey, and you saw it with your own eyes. Ukuthi, match was successful. There was no problem at all. And you can see on the last clip, ukuthi abantu base Eastern Cape bavukile. Right now, after the march, they are chasing away all illegal immigrants from their townships. They are closing salons. They are closing illegal spaza shops. They are busy now. After the march that you think it was unsuccessful, it was a big success. Our march was a big success. Even those in-laws of yours abazamile ukudistracta i-march ngokulimaza ama-South Africans engenze lutho, which nje siyazi ukuthi vele usupporta bona. Some South African women really bayasiphoxa. Look at how beautiful this lady is. Akufanele kabe desperate ngale ndlela ukuthi you prefer to sell your country just to impress your husband, just to impress your in-laws. No, my sister. You don't have to do that. If he loves you, he must love you even if you love your country. Even your in-laws behind your back are laughing at you for neglecting your country, for belittling your country, for looking down on your country because of them. They can never do that. Bona. Abasoze. Noma ungabenzelana abasoze. So this march was very successful, my sister. Izwi nje lokugcina engakutshela lona ezumzulu wakithi sithi ukuthi phuma kuJacinta. uJacinta is your own blood. uJacinta is your sister. uJacinta akasona isitha sakho, umzulu wakini. She is your fellow South African. Ayikho into oyilwisela uJacinta, because I've seen a lot of your videos. Uphansi phezulu noJacinta. Why? Because you are married to a Nigerian. Phuma kuJacinta. uJacinta is fighting for a country. uJacinta is fighting for all the children that are under the bridges. Because of inyawupe, because of powder, ingane zethu nhlele ema-brothels, because of you and your husband. So uJacinta is fighting all those things. Wena ubekufanele ngabe usiza yena ukuthi sifightele for our country, because even your in-laws, your sister-in-laws, angeke beze bevume ukuthi sisuke thina as South Africans la siye Nigeria siyofita ingane zabo ama-powder and take them to brothels ukuthi beyodayisa umzimba ukuze besi-enrich kube rich thina. Angeke beze bekuvume lokho, but wena uyakuvuma ecountryni yakho and ucabanga ukuthi abakuhleki behind your back. They are laughing at you. Where are you going to run to uma uba neyinkinga emshadweni in future? Because there's no guarantee there. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you so much. Bye.